Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 26th October to 1st November. Being general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so check those videos as well, Virgo. So let's see, Mercury in retrograde. Be very careful with your financial transactions, especially online. Also read your documents and contract papers till 3rd November. You need to be careful, read it twice. This is just for guidance. So let's see what's there for Virgo from 26th October to 3rd November. Spirits and guides, please help. Please guide us. One more shuffle. What's there for Virgo 20 career general energies from 26th to 1st November, career, business and money. Five of Wands, Queen of Cups, Six of Wands, beautiful, Ten of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, great, Nine of Pentacles. What else, Virgo? I mean, I do see this week, great, you coming out, Three of Cups. So Virgo, you will be, if in your work situation there could be some drama kind of a situation, subordinates not cooperating, subordinates not cooperating, or they're not putting their work on time, or just arguments, and it's like that, somebody not agreeing to your way of thinking or your perspective. So it's like that. So that this is a small, your partnership, in your partnership or association, maybe there might be agreements and disagreements, both. It's like that. So lot of interaction, lot of chaos, but it is not a major thing to worry. That's what I will say. These are small agreement in your workspace, work with your subordinates, with your boss, with your people around with whom you work. Also, this is not only a card of that, it is also like some of you might be going for training. This is like skills. Also, this has another aspect. This card has another aspect, like showing getting trained. So some of you could also be going for some training here, for internship or some or a small short-term course wherein you will be trained to handle difficult situations. So here it is like they're just pretending to be at conflicting situations here, and how to handle. So it is a card of training, to getting trained for something, getting knowledge for something, for a situation here. So we usually have these seminars and all, wherein we this small short-term seminars, something new has come up in the market, so how to handle that. So it's kind of a training also. Queen of Cups, you are feeling great, you are feeling happy, you are in a stable ground now. That's what you have. You had some difficult times before that, I do remember the readings here, but you are now taking in a balance, even when things are not 100% right now, but still you are maintaining your balance, you're maintaining your focus. That's what with this Queen of Cups, you're nurturing, caring to people with whom you work. They are also equally supporting you. They are also happy, they are also supporting you. You are doing the same here. So with King of Cups, it is not like basically at home, at friends, because you get this friendship card, lot of friendship, lot of celebration at home, togetherness. That is what I get here, celebrating with partner. It could be celebration at office, reunions, get-togethers, collaborations, deals, associations happening. That's what again I say. So all this makes your life a little fulfilling. You're feeling better, you're feeling grounded, you're feeling emotionally stable. That's what I feel here. So this is also a card of again I say, collaboration, deals, partnerships happening, as well as having good time with friends and family here. Short-term victory. Some of Virgos will have short-term victory, something you have done, work for which you are appreciated, or you win a small award or a depreciation of token, some monetary benefit also. So it's like, if you are into publishing and media houses, you will be watched, you will be seen more, people will have an eye on you. So it's like that, people will want to see you more. So it's like that. So a short-term victory for something that you have worked. It could be a project you completed, a deal that you got it through. It is your hard work and people are appreciating. A job interview, you cleared a job, you get it after going through some hurdles. It is not like it smoothly landed on you. You have worked hard for this. There were obstacles, there were delays, but you got through, and this is like this victory card, and you deserve to be like this. So this is what Virgo. 10 of this is like, in your past, if you have gone through a lot of pain, lot of suffering, financial crisis, but times are changing, wheel of changing. This is the end. So this is like good times are coming for you, Virgo. This is a major arcana card, this is a minor arcana. So whatever, this is an ending of a very painful period. You are going into new beginnings. You have to realize that you need to leave whatever hasn't worked, whatever has caused you pain. Is you are in the end of that cycle. If you are struggling for a job, start applying for a new job, or if you any business situation. So you will see that times are changing. Wheel of Fortune is changing in your favor. Slowly, this major arcana, it's a slow energy. So if you have centered yourself well, you have used the energies wisely, nobody can stop you from success. Success is coming, but it's gonna come slow and steady. That's what I'm telling you. So this is very beautiful card here. Times are changing for you here. 9 of Pentacle card here. Beautiful. So Virgo, at present you feel satisfied looking at what you whatever you earned, the investments you made, how you have used your money. So it is a satisfactory situation for you, but you want to build more wealth, more money for your future foundations, and you are thinking of that, to make investments, to buy, maybe some of you might plan to buy land or farming land or property, real estate, or fixed deposits, something that you will, 9 of Pentacles. And this is like, you are also putting lot of effort, you are working hard, Virgo, on this aspect, that you want a comfortable life later, now and later too. So you have started putting the effort, making investments here, and you are trying to gather more information how to go about it, and you will be doing it. So it looks great here. 9 of Pentacle card, again I say, some of you Virgos might get money from real estate, brokerage houses, stock market, from farming lands. Yeah, that's the Pentacle card. That you will get help. You will get help from your friends. You will get help from your family. You will get help from a stranger also. So you are having a great week. Family, people, and friends supporting you thoroughly here. Yeah. For this, you can just, if you are in this situation, just practice yoga, meditation. It's gonna help you with, and you are anyway moving to a new cycle in your life. Wheel of Fortune in your favor. So great here. So I'll just pull out an angel guidance card, Virgo, and see what's there for you. Okay, so confrontation. You choose your battles wisely. So here it seems that you got a card here. If there are certain arguments, you just not put those energies here. Do not divert your energies here. Just leave it, with diplomacy and tact, you will just handle small arguments. That is what I get here. What's the next card here? Dreams. Believe in your dreams. So this is a beautiful card. So this is again, believe in your dreams. That's one card. So if you do like my readings, it resonates with you, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.